do basic braiding. I'm going to use bigger sections just so you can see it. And I'm going to start with a simple over braid, which means the pieces go over one another. I learn how to braid with my pinkies, and when I keep my knuckles on the scalp, then I get a tighter braid. If I work up from the head, then it'll be looser and there's more movement. So I'm just going to do a basic braid. There's lots of great tutorials. Now I am picking up and I'm getting my middle. I drop my middle. I'm picking up on the outside edges. Drop my middle. Picking up on the outside edge. And you can take thin slices or fat slices. Got my middle. Got my oh, it changes what becomes the middle, but I'm just adding to on the outside edges. Drop the middle. An over braid, so it's more woven. The braid is flat. To keep it neat so you can see. I'm going to grab that add to it, drop, drop, pinch. Again, add to it, rotate, pinch, in the middle again, rotate, pinch, add, rotate, pinch. Around the curve of the head. If you don't want like a braid to fall and have all this pucker, you have to come down with your hands and work so you're pinching close to the nape. So the braid will be tight here, but if you want it to be away, then you just move away. But anytime you want the braid to be hugging, you've got to work close to the head.